Meet Blob Joe. Blob Joe works at the Blob Bakery. He needs dough. Well, he doesn't have hands, so he mostly just rolls on it like some kind of sentient rolling pin. Blob Joe has a mortgage on his Blob condo. He has a wife who tolerates his obsession with the Blob Rogan podcast. She doesn't understand why he needs to hear 3 hours about Blozimpic. Life is good. Life is stable. Life is... His wife suddenly mentions that Blob Swift is coming to town. Blob Joe's heart sinks. Well, blobs don't have hearts, but you get it. He checks his phone. 2 tickets. 800 glimmers. Each. Blob Joe's body literally deflates like a sad balloon at a child's birthday party 3 weeks after the birthday. Blob Joe does not have 1,600 glimmers just sitting around. His last paycheck went to the mortgage, Blob groceries, and Blob Spotify Premium so he can skip ads on Blob Rogan. Worth it? Debatable. What even is a credit card? A glimmer card is the big Blob bank saying, "Go ahead, buy those concert tickets. We will pay for you. Live your best life. We'll worry about the consequences later." But this can be a trap, the best kind of trap. When Blob Joe uses his glimmer card, which involves the card scanning his blob body because, and I cannot stress this enough, he has no hands, the bank pays for everything up front. The bank's glimmers, not his. Now Blob Joe owes them 1,600 glimmers. They give him 30 days to pay it back. Pay in full? No problem. 0 interest. Everyone's happy. The bank did you a solid. Pay only part of it? Interest kicks in. Forget to pay entirely? Oh boy. Oh boy. The bank will come for you like a blob in a dark alley, financially speaking. How do you get one of these dangerous cards? Blob Joe can't just waddle into the big blob bank like, "Give me money." That's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. The bank needs proof you're not a financial disaster waiting to happen. They check. Do you pay bills on time? Have you borrowed money before? Did you actually pay it back? Or are you the kind of blob who owes everyone money and pretends not to see them at the grocery store? All this data gets compressed into one number, the credit score. It ranges from 300 to 850. Above 740? Shiny blob. The bank loves you. Above 800? Ultra shiny. You're basically glowing. The bank wants to give you all the cards. Below 580? The bank security blob physically rolls you out the door. Is this legal? Unclear, but it happens. If Blob Joe has 0 credit history, maybe he is a student of Blob Ramsey, he has 2 options. Option 1, secured glimmer card. Put down 200 glimmers as collateral. That becomes his limit. It's the bank saying, "We don't trust you, but we'll take your money." Option 2, become an authorized user on someone else's card, like copying homework but the teacher approves. Weird system, but it works. The 30% rule that everyone ignores. Blob Joe gets approved. The bank gives him a 1,000 glimmer limit. His brain, 1,000 glimmers? I'm rich! Reality, no, stop. This is a test. Here's the trick. Never use more than 30% of your limit. 1,000 limit? Use max 300. Why? Something called credit utilization ratio, which is bank speak for, we're watching how much you spend and judging you. Use 30%? Good blob. Score goes up. Max it out? Bad blob. Score crashes. Like the blob stock market in 2008. Trust me, you don't want to see what happens when a blob's credit score crashes. It's not pretty. There's crying, there's regret, there's a lot of sad jiggling. Why use a glimmer card? Sometimes you need money now. Bursted car, roof damage, mother-in-law visits, and suddenly you need to leave town. But there are actual good reasons. Reason 1, build credit score. Need this for big boy purchases later. House, car, blob yacht, you know, essentials. Reason 2, protection. Someone steals your cash? Gone. Poof. Forever. Someone steals your card? Bank's problem, not yours. Beautiful system. Reason 3, rewards. Banks are desperate for you to use their cards, so they bribe you. Cashback, travel points, free blob stuff. Some cards even give sign-up bonuses. Spend 3,000 glimmers, get 500 back. Your brain, free money. Reality, you just spent $3,000 to get 500 back. That's not. Types of cards, speed round. Cashback cards, money back when you spend money. It's like a discount, but backwards. Travel cards, for blobs who think they'll travel, but actually just work and go home. Balance transfer cards. Move your debt from one card to another. 0% interest for a while. It's like moving your problems to a different room and hoping they disappear. Premium cards, for rich blobs. Because rich blobs need more free stuff. The system makes perfect sense. The dark side. Dun dun dun. Okay, get ready. This is where credit cards become scary. If Blob Joe doesn't pay his full balance, the bank charges interest. An APR, annual percentage rate. But here's the nightmare fuel. Interest compounds daily. Not monthly, daily. Every single day Blob Joe doesn't pay, the bank calculates interest on his growing balance. It's like a horror movie, but the monster is mathematics. Most blobs pay the minimum, thinking they're handling it. Wrong. Most of that payment goes to interest. The original debt barely moves. It's like trying to empty an ocean with a teaspoon. Technically, you're doing something, but you're still drowning. Miss a payment by 30 days? Gets reported. Score tank. Miss by 60 days? Penalty APR activates. Interest jumps to 30% or more. At that point, you're not using a credit card. The credit card is using you. You've become the product. Congratulations. Smart Blob strategies. 1. Check APR first. Lower is better. This is not complicated. 2. Get a card that matches your spending. Travel card but never leave your house? That's just sad. 3. Only spend what you can pay off this month. Treat the card like a debit. If you don't have the glimmers, don't buy the thing. 4. Stay under 30%. We covered this. I'm not repeating it again. Oh wait, I just did. 5. Set up autopay. Most important thing. Set it, forget it. Never miss a payment. Your credit score will thank you by existing. 6. Track spending. App, spreadsheet, carrier pigeon that judges your purchases, something, anything. If you're drowning in debt, call the bank. They have hardship programs, lower rates, payment plans. They'd rather get some money than no money. Ignoring the problem makes it worse. Or your mother-in-law's calls. The ending. So what happened to Blob Joe? He got the card. He bought those tickets. 800 glimmers each. Financial responsibility? We don't know her. They went to the concert. His wife sang every word to Antihero while Blob Joe stood there. Wait, no legs. While Blob Joe existed there, confused but supportive. He paid the full balance before the due date. Credit score went up 5 points. That night, Blob Joe got lucky. 3 times. I'm not saying credit cards guarantee physical intimacy, but I'm also not saying it. Correlation, causation, something, science. Blob Joe isn't complaining. The moral. Glimmer cards are powerful. Like, really powerful. Use them right. Build credit. Get rewards. Stay protected. Use them wrong? Debt prison for decades. Some blobs are still paying for Blob Swift's 2015 tour. Don't be that blob. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel. The algorithm demands it. The Blob Council demands it. I demand it because I spent way too long making this video. We blob you, which still doesn't mean anything, but we're committed to the bit now.